Hey, welcome back to the 8-foot pond skiff or pond dinghy or tender or whatever you want to call it. You should be able to see that I have the size only come to here, and so I scabbed this onto the side of it, which I think should look just fine. You can see I've already sanded and shaped it a little bit because you know, sanding and shaping is a personal thing, so you want to do yours your own way. But basically I just took a long block like that, I put it on my board, and with the 80 grit you want to kind of go slow because it won't take long. It doesn't take much to cut that off. And you can see along here where I caulked that in. I think I'm done with the Gorilla Glue. I don't really want to use that anymore. It's like this is Gorilla Glue here, so whenever you sand, this stuff just kind of wobbles back and forth and it just doesn't sand. And I don't think it holds that well, but then again, you don't have to hold that well if you're just, has to be just as no stronger than the material bonding. So I used a wallpaper tiger. That's what all this is on here to do that. And then I've got my bed sheets cut up for, and we're not gonna make this a long drawn out video because you've already seen how to do the glue. I'll take my roller and I'll roll the glue on, and then I will let's see where you guys are. So after I roll my glue on, what we're going to do here is I'm going to put this right in the corner and then roll more glue over the top of that. Then I have some burlap here. I'm going to try this burlap and see how it goes. And what I am going to do with it, I'm going to roll the glue on first, do a heavy coat, then I'll put the burlap on there, and I'll roll it out with my little fiberglass roller. I'll show you that. You've seen it before. You've seen it before. It just pretty much just rolls the bubbles out. And then once I put the kayak over, you know, I've got the same seam on the inside, or reveal, you can call it reveal. And then we'll see how this goes. But I mean, the sides are really strong. I put a lot of I took all my barbecue skewers right there, and every time I cut a piece off I just sharpen it up, nail it in there, and it's like nails. So I'm pretty pleased with how it's stiffened up, but I still don't believe you could use a trolling motor on here. You know, maybe you could if you just ran it on low, but it's styrofoam. This is just more or less for playing in the pool or fishing the backwaters, you know, someplace that you really can't carry a big boat to, or we can put it on our bass boat here and then take it out, and then we can get in it and go back in those little ponds that the water's real shallow, but then it gets deep again. It's either that way or go on an airboat. We don't want to spend all that money just to get fish. Okay, so I'll update you once again once we get a little bit closer, and we'll give it we'll weigh it and see how much it weighs, and then do a pond test. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment. I will come to your page and leave you a comment. I appreciate you watching.